Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ensure versus Glucerna. We'll explore their key differences, helping you understand which might be more suitable for your dietary needs. Ensure is generally for overall nutritional support, while Glucerna is specifically designed for individuals managing blood sugar levels. It's important to consider your health goals and consult with a doctor or dietitian to make the best choice for you. Ensure provides a comprehensive blend of nutrients, making it a great option for general nutritional support. It's packed with protein, essential vitamins, and minerals to help you stay energized and maintain a healthy weight. There are several Ensure products, each tailored to specific needs, such as muscle health or extra protein. It's a versatile supplement for everyday wellness. Glucerna is specifically formulated to help manage blood sugar, making it ideal for people with diabetes or those monitoring their glucose intake. Its unique carbohydrate blend helps minimize blood sugar spikes, and it's also a good source of protein and fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied. This makes Glucerna a valuable part of a balanced diet for blood sugar control. When deciding between Ensure and Glucerna, your individual health needs are paramount. If you're looking for general nutritional support, Ensure is a strong contender. However, if blood sugar management is your primary concern, Glucerna is specifically designed for that purpose. Always discuss your options with a healthcare professional to ensure you choose the supplement that best supports your overall health and dietary requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.